How to contact Instagram directly. So all you have to do is to go here to your Instagram application, right? And it will lead you to your home page. Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you will see five different options there. Tap on your profile option there. And then on the upper right, you will see the burger icon or the three dash lines. Tap on the three dash lines there and go here to settings. Now, under settings, what I want you to do next is scroll all the way down up until you see help here. Now, here on help, you can see report a problem and just report without shaking and include and continue. And here you can actually now contact Instagram directly. Now, let's say you have actually forgotten your account and you want to contact Instagram. And to do that is what you want to do is to go here to your Google account. What you want to do is to go here to your Google account. So here on your Google, what you want to do next is to tap on contact Instagram here. Here, contact Instagram and basically just copy that support at instagram.com and you can go here to your Safari and then just paste copy insta help and just paste it here. Tap on go and tap on here. It will look like this. So tap on contact us. And basically, all you have to do is to actually answer the questions here. The Instagram will contact you through your email. And basically, that is how you contact Instagram directly. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.